Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. And in this video I will guide you on how to claim your combo, okay, your daily combo on Memefi. And this is for 30th June, and it is for level 7 and as well as level 6. So if you are on level 7 or level 6, this is for you. I don't know if it will work for the other levels, but you can try it, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's draw the lines. So let's draw the lines here, and then we have here, and then the last one. So this place is 1, we have 2 here, we have 3 here, and then we have here as the 4th place, okay? So the code is 42313131, and that will go like, here's the 4, so 4 2, and then we have 3 1 3 1 and another 3 1, okay? So let me do it and see how it works. So it's 4 2 3 1 3 1 and another 3 1, but you should be fast, okay, else it will not come. So let me do it quickly. Let me do it quickly. 4 2 3 1 3 1 3 1. Okay, so that's it. It's 4 2 3 1 3 1 3 1. Okay, so you just have to be quick, okay, on it, and you will get your 4 million Memefi coins or Memefi token. Okay, so this is all for this video. Subscribe to the channel and like this video, and if this works for you, share it to other friends to also be able to complete their daily combo tax, okay, to maximize their balance. So see you in my next update. Bye.